Okay, once students were done exploring this site, I would have them go ahead and unclick this pin, move down to the desert pin, click on the two images here, and then travel to the desert, and we'll go ahead and take this away for right now. So once students got here to the desert, I would have them first take their little guide and go down to the street view anywhere in this little town. Have them come down here and just go ahead and go 360 degrees around, recording their observations. So they're going to be answering questions like what types of plants and animals would live here, would people be found living here, why or why not, and also I would want them to describe the town. So once they went ahead and did a 360, I would have them come back to our main location right here, and they can go ahead and click on both of the pictures, so this one as well as these three, which are of the old trading post, and I would have them refer to those three things that I asked them to write down: plants and animals, people, and description of the town, and have them add to those if they would like to. After they did that, I would have them click on the pen right here and go to the hyperlink that says Utah Cities Map. And go ahead and let's look at this full map. Okay, so I'd have them look at this map and pay particular attention to the interstates. So Interstate 15, which runs up along this direction, and Interstate 70, which runs east and west across the state. So I'd have them pay particular attention to both of those and look at where they are, particularly in this southwest corner over here with 15, and then in about the mid part of the state right here on the east side. Have them go back to Google Earth and go ahead and zoom out until they could see both of those parts of the state. Okay, so we have the state of Utah right here, and here is the southwest corner, and then we have this like central east right here. So what I would have students do now is take their ruler and measure from about where the pinpoint is up to this middle part right here where Interstate 70 is, which is about 140 miles. Have them clear that, and they could write down that data, and then take the pen again and go this direction towards Interstate 15, about right here in that southwest corner. That's about 160 miles. And I would go ahead and clear this. And I would want students to do this to show them how rural this area is, and to show them how far away it is from the two big interstates. Next, I would have students go ahead and answer the following question: how many people do they think live in this area of the state? After they answered that, I would have them make two predictions about resources in the area and also art that they think might come from this area. Once they went ahead and recorded their predictions for that, then I would have them click on the pen again and observe these four pieces of artwork, which are very different and all come from this area of the state, and I would have them make any corrections or additions to the answers that they gave to the questions about resources and art. And then at the end of this exploration, we would call this a desert.